Wine tourism invites travelers to explore the rich tapestry of vineyards and wineries, blending the pleasures of tasting with the beauty of scenic landscapes. Whether strolling through rolling hills covered in grapevines or visiting historic cellars, each trip offers a sensory journey into the heart of winemaking traditions. Guests have the chance to meet passionate winemakers, learn about unique grape varieties, and witness the art and science behind every bottle. From quaint family-run estates to grand châteaux, wine regions celebrate local culture and cuisine, often pairing tastings with delicious regional dishes. Beyond sampling exceptional wines, visitors immerse themselves in stories of heritage, innovation, and sustainability. Wine tourism not only fosters appreciation for the craft, but also connects people to the land and community. It's more than a getaway. It's an invitation to savor life, one glass at a time, in some of the world's most picturesque destinations.